Welcome to Mary Kelly. We hope you will enjoy our channel. 5 external reasons why your hair is breaking.
1. Dryness. My hair breaks easily with friction and handling. Always make sure to keep the hair moisturized at all times. 2. Wrong detangling techniques. A proper detangling technique for your hair type. Use your fingers for a more gentle detangling process. 3. Use of wrong tools for your hair type. Use styling tools, detangling tools, and accessories best suitable for your hair type. 4. Excessive heat.
Heat causes hair bonds to weaken, which eventually leads to breakage. Reduce excessive use of heat and always use heat protection. 5. Tight hair styling. Avoid tight protective styles that pull on the hairline and feel uncomfortable. Always install loose and comfortable protective styles. High ponytails should be worn loose to preserve the hairline.